is missing. Hey everyone, my name is Sharice. If you're new, if you're not new, thank you for clicking on another video. So today's video is going to be a beauty haul. I have some items from Walmart clearance. Hello. Then I have Ulta and I have Sephora. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe so you can see more of my videos. And if you end up liking this video, please give me a thumbs up because it helps more people see my content. And let's go ahead and jump into these items. Hopefully it's quick. Okay, first I'm going to start with Walmart. I first got these Rimmel London Stay Matte, probably Stay Matte foundations. I got two different colors because I was not sure which one would be the appropriate one. So I got 503 Mocha. This one was $2.10. And then I got 603 Chocolate. This one was $2.60. I don't know why there was a price difference. And then I also got this concealer also from Rimmel London. This is, what shade is this? What shade is this? 610 Chestnut, and this one was $2.35. So this one seems like it's not going to be a super brightening concealer, which is fine. I don't typically do like super bright. So hopefully these work out. Then I got some stuff from ELF. First is this lip lacquer in the shade Moody. This was $2.30. And then this lip plumping gloss in the shade Praline. This one was $4.55, which I feel like is maybe not that much of a fucking difference in price. Does it say on here? Oh, it was $6. Yeah, this one was $6, went down to $4.55. This one was $3, went down to $2.30. The foundations were $4.97. That seems, I don't know about that. And apparently the concealer was the same. Okay, and then I got, the last thing from Walmart is this ELF Precision highlighting brush. This one was $5.57 from $8. And I have a few of the other Precision brushes, so I wanted to try this one too. I have a cut on my hand, so please, wow, I cannot talk. I have a cut on my hand, so please excuse that. The top one is Moody and the bottom one is Praline. Next, I'm going to show the stuff from Sephora. So first I have the Fenty Beauty, the new powder foundations. I have two different shades because one of them I went into store to check out. I also had like a little merchandise card to use, so you know, wanted to use it. And I was shade matched, you know, it's still a panorama, so they can't really do that much. And she told me to get $4.70, which is not it. Like, I actually swatched this and put a little bit on my face once I got home, and woo, that is definitely not the shade, but it could possibly be a decent bronzer shade. And then I went back and I got, I think this is the shade that they told me to get online, which was $4.50, which seems a little light, but we will see. Hopefully I can do a first impression Friday on these two, hopefully. I'm hoping one of them works out because I have no problem with returning stuff, but I really don't want to have to. I also picked up the Best Skin Ever. This is the Sephora, like the house brand, and I got the shade 59 in. Hopefully this works out. I don't know. This is supposed to be a really good foundation though, so I'm excited to try that. I have quite a few things to try out. Okay, there's some samples that I got, but I'm just gonna throw those to the side. Then lastly, from Sephora, got some lip products, which I don't need. First is the Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade J'adore. J'adore? I don't know. And then I got 2 of the cream lipsticks or lip glosses from Fenty. I got Fenty Glow, and then I got Cookie Jar. The Marc Jacobs lipstick is going to be pretty like layered with a lip gloss, I believe, and also probably with some sort of like liner or something. So that's J'adore, I don't know, y'all. Fenty Glow, and then Cookie Jar. Okay, so Ulta, I got some Epsom Salt. I got the fragrance-free one. I mostly use this for Avery. And then I'm probably also going to use this in case I get mastitis, which is like, if you are unfamiliar, it's a infection from having clogged ducts in your tooties. So I'm probably going to use this just in case I ever run into that. It's supposed to help clear the clog. And then I also get the hemp seed one. I actually have 2 of these. I love this hemp seed one. I don't know what it is. The hemp seed mixed with the charcoal bubble bath. Good. So online, I actually ordered the Morphe Filter Effects Soft Focus Foundation, and it came with a free brush. The issue is apparently my shade ran out, so they only sent me the free brush, which worked out because I went in store and bought the foundation and got another free brush. And I was super curious about this brush, so I'm hoping I love it. And if I do, I already have a backup, because you guys know, if you've been around, you know I buy doubles of freaking brushes all the time. For what reason, I don't know. This was from that online order. This is the Duo Rose Water and Biotin lash glue. So yeah, they literally sent me the lash glue and the free brush. I was like, okay. More complexion products, because clearly I love to try out new foundations. So first we have the Clinique Even Better Clinical. This is supposed to be a serum foundation. I got mine in the shade Sienna. Y'all, I actually really like Clinique foundations. Let's see. I haven't opened this at all, so I'm hoping that Sienna works out, because I have Sienna and I think Even Better Glow, and it's a good shade. This looks like an egg or something, or like a big nail polish bottle. Wait a minute, hold on. Please tell me there's a pump. There's a pump, right? Ooh, Jesus. Okay, yeah, there's a pump. I was like, hold up. This is interesting. This pump kind of reminds me a little bit of the Milani 2-in-1 foundation pump, I want to say. Oof, that pump is secure, honey. Okay, so there's that. I got the e.l.f. Camo Cc Cream. I got this one in the shade Deep 540 N. So hopefully this one works out. And then lastly, I got the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydro Maniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. I got mine in the shade 81 Deep, so I'm excited to try that. I actually really need to try these soon so I can see if I need to exchange or return or whatever it is. Last item of this little haul is going to be a hair product. and I've already used it, so my hair is on it. This is the Redken All Soft Mega Mask. And this is like a treatment, and it says treatment and care extender for severely dry hair, which my hair has been super dry lately. And I actually just took my twist out after like a few days. I did this and then did some twists, and my hair feels really nice. So I know you're supposed to use this every 3 washes, so I will have to get back to you guys to see if this is good or not. I just noticed you're supposed to squeeze it from right here, and I think I was squeezing it from down here because there's a, I don't know if you can tell, there's like another tube in there. It's like 2 in 1. So that is everything from my recent beauty haul. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these things. Let me know what do you want me to do my first impression Friday on. Give me like a little order. So I have, just to refresh your memory, I have the e.l.f. CC cream, I have the Urban Decay tinted moisturizer, excuse me, I have 2 shades in the Rimmel London Stay Matte. I'm sure this has been around for a while though, so and then I have the Sephora new foundation, the Best Skin Ever, and then lastly, let me get this out of the box, I have the Clinique Even Better Clinical, and I can't remember what's supposed to be good about this Clinique one. But yeah, let me know out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of these 5 complexion products you want me to try first. Give me like a little ranking, you know, 1 through 5. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.